Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Morning English Talk. I'm Emma, your teacher, and today we're talking about one of my favorite topics, food.
Hello, Emma. Food? That's perfect. I'm always hungry in the morning.
Me too, Leo. I think everyone loves food. Let's start with the three main meals of the day. Repeat after me. Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Excellent. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Leo, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread, eggs, and drink coffee. Sometimes I eat fruit.
Sounds delicious. I eat toast, yogurt, and I always drink tea in the morning. Listeners, what do you eat for breakfast? Say it out loud.
That's a great way to practice. You can say, for breakfast, I eat blah blah blah, or I drink blah blah blah.
Perfect. Let's repeat some common breakfast words. Bread, butter, eggs, cheese, milk, coffee, tea, juice, fruit.
Bread, butter, eggs, cheese, milk, coffee, tea, juice, fruit.
Great pronunciation. Now, let's make short sentences. I eat bread. I drink coffee. My breakfast is good.
I eat eggs. I drink orange juice. I like my breakfast.
Excellent. Now, let's move to lunch. Lunch is usually in the middle of the day. Repeat after me. Lunch.
Lunch.
What do you eat for lunch, Leo?
I eat rice, chicken, and salad.
Nice. That's healthy. For lunch, I sometimes eat pasta or soup. Let's repeat some common lunch words. Rice, chicken, salad, pasta, soup, meat, fish, vegetables, beans.
Rice, chicken, salad, pasta, soup, meat, fish, vegetables, beans.
Great. Now let's build sentences again. I eat rice for lunch. I have chicken and salad. I like pasta.
I eat soup. I have vegetables every day. My lunch is delicious.
Wonderful. Now, the last main meal, dinner. Dinner is usually in the evening or at night. Repeat after me, dinner.
Dinner.
What do you eat for dinner, Leo?
For dinner, I eat something light, maybe soup, bread, and tea.
That sounds perfect. For dinner, I like vegetables and rice, or sometimes pizza. Let's repeat some dinner foods. Pizza, soup, vegetables, rice, bread, tea, pasta, fish, salad.
Pizza, soup, vegetables, rice, bread, tea, pasta, fish, salad.
Excellent. Now, let's practice small conversations you can use in real life. I'll ask and you answer. What do you want to eat?
I want to eat rice and chicken.
What do you want to drink?
I want to drink juice.
Good. Let's repeat together. I want to eat. I want to drink. Use it when ordering in a cafe or restaurant.
That's easy. I can say, I want to eat pizza, or I want to drink coffee.
Exactly. Now, let's learn some polite words you need in restaurants. Please. Thank you. You're welcome.
Please, thank you, you're welcome.
Excellent. You can say, can I have some water, please? Or, can I have a sandwich, please?
Can I have some tea, please? That's perfect when ordering.
Exactly. Now, let's review some drinks. Repeat after me. water, juice, milk, soda, tea, coffee.
Water, juice, milk, soda, tea, coffee.
Great. Now, use them in sentences. I drink water every day. I like coffee in the morning. I don't like soda.
I drink juice. I love tea. I sometimes drink milk at night.
Excellent examples, Leo. Now, let's learn how to ask about food preferences. What do you like to eat?
I like to eat pasta.
What do you like to drink?
I like to drink coffee.
Perfect. Now, let's try the negative form. I don't like spicy food.
I don't like cold soup.
Good. Now, let's add some emotion. I love chocolate.
Me too. I love pizza.
Of course, everyone loves pizza. Let's repeat. Love, like, don't like, hate.
Love, like, don't like, hate.
Excellent. Now let's make sentences with each word. I love ice cream. I like fruit. I don't like coffee. I hate fish.
I love pizza. I like juice. I don't like milk. I hate onions.
Great job! Now let's learn a few kitchen and restaurant words. Plate, fork, knife, spoon, cup, glass, napkin, table, chair.
Plate, fork, knife, spoon, cup, glass, napkin, table, chair.
Perfect pronunciation. Now, short sentences. The plate is on the table. I need a fork. I drink water in a glass.
I sit on the chair. I have a spoon. I use a napkin.
Excellent, Leo. Now let's talk about fruits and vegetables. Repeat after me. Apple, banana, orange, tomato, potato, carrot, lettuce, onion, corn.
Apple, banana, orange, tomato, potato, carrot, lettuce, onion, corn.
Wonderful. Now, short sentences. I like apples. Bananas are yellow. Oranges are orange. Onions make me cry.
Yes, onions make me cry too. I eat tomatoes in salad. I like potatoes and corn.
Perfect. Now let's do a mini quiz for our listeners. I'll describe the food and you guess, Lito. It's yellow and sweet. You eat it in the morning.
Banana.
Correct. Now it's red, round, and you can make sauce with it.
Tomato.
Good. It's cold, sweet, and you eat it with a spoon.
Ice cream.
Excellent. Now, let's practice how to say you're hungry or thirsty. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty.
I'm hungry. I'm thirsty.
Good. Now, let's add more. I'm full. I'm not hungry.
I'm full. I'm not hungry.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about places to eat. Restaurant, cafe, bakery, market, kitchen.
Restaurant, cafe, bakery, market, kitchen.
Great. Use them in sentences. I eat in a restaurant. I drink tea in a cafe. I buy bread at the bakery.
I buy fruit at the market. I cook in the kitchen.
Perfect. Now let's review everything together. Repeat after us. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. I eat bread. I drink coffee. I like pasta. I don't like soda. I love pizza. I eat in a restaurant. I drink tea.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner. I eat bread. I drink coffee. I like pasta. I don't like soda. I love pizza. I eat in a restaurant. I drink tea.
Fantastic! Now let's finish with a small role play. Imagine we're at a cafe. Hello, can I take your order?
Yes, please. I'd like a coffee and a sandwich.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, I'd like a piece of cake, please.
Sure, here you go. Enjoy your food.
Thank you.
You're welcome.